In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Christmas-themed short video using the Filmora app. You can quickly make your Christmas short video with the Filmora mobile app using pre-made templates, or you can design your own video from scratch. Let me show you how to do it. First, open the app and navigate to the Explore section. From there, go to the Templates section and select Festival. You will find a variety of templates available for your use. For my video, I chose the Christmas template. Simply click on it and then click on Make Video. Next, you'll need to add clips for your video. Click on Import to add your clips and then play to see the result. Now your video is ready. However, you can enhance it further by using the Edit option. To adjust the color of your video, go to the Adjust option and customize the colors according to your preference. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, you can add effects. You can make any additional adjustments if needed. As you can see, your Christmas video is ready to go. There are plenty of templates available for you to use in a similar manner. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.